Hey, I hope everybody's having a great day. It's Ron Newsbaum. I'm the founder of BuilderComs. And today, let's go over how to add documents to a project. Let's go in here. And this is after you created a project. You can always add documents when you create a project, but once a project's created, to add documents, the easiest way to do that is to go right over to the project details and you'll see this add documents thing. So let's add some documents. All right, let's see where I got some docs. Here we go. I have to hire a contractor. Now that's in here. I can continue. Let's put another one in here. Boom. Those are in here. Now I can download these off of here, but they are saved to this project. So these supporting documents are now part of this project. You don't have to worry about it going to different projects or anything like that. They're right here. Customer can access them. You can access them. I'm getting notifications on my phone right now that these have been added to this project. So your customers get that. It's all organized. You don't have to worry about where all the documents for each project. Just have a system in place that when this project comes in, when these documents need to go in from proposers to invoices to drawings or anything, make sure you upload them to your projects and BuilderComs to create that record. I'm always here to help. Email us, team@buildercoms.com. Go to our website, buildercoms.com. You can go to the contact us page, fill that out with any questions. For all of our users out there, you know how to get a hold of me. Don't hesitate to reach out. It's what we're here to do. We are creating the communication platform for the construction industry. Have a great day.